Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your MouseFlow to your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your MouseFlow to your LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track user behavior, and MouseFlow is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your MouseFlow, you need to have your MouseFlow website ID. If you need help creating that and copying it to your clipboard, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you have your MouseFlow website ID. Once you have that, you're going to come in here in LearnWorlds, and then on the left side, you click on Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Integrations. Once you click on Integrations, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and click here on Analytics. Once you click there, you're going to see quite a few options, but just scroll down until you see MouseFlow right here. And then what you're going to do is click on Activate. Once you click on Activate, you're going to paste in your website ID right here. Once you've done that, you're not quite finished until you scroll to the top and then click on Save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MouseFlow to your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.